Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford Focus. Stock number is 18F199A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels, looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are mounted to the steering wheel. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.